Imagine a tool that allows us to define an application without writing any code, and within a matter of moments, our prototype is operational online. I'm going to guide you through Contember Studio, where our AI assistant, Ember, brings this concept to life. Let's get started. I will start by providing a brief description of the application I would like to create. I would like an application for managing my experiments in generating images using AI. I will write my requirements in simple sentences and let the AI assistant Ember to elaborate on the idea. You can enter the description like this. An application that would help me manage my experiments with image generation according to given prompts. I would like to save these prompts, add primary image and attach the resulting images to them, categorize and tag them. In addition, I want to have a database of phrases that I often use, and the ability to link these phrases with a prompt. Each prompt should have attributes such as the version of the engine used, the aspect ratio, and potentially other parameters that could be useful for future generation. Indeed, the analysis of our input is ongoing, and the conclusion will be a description of how the AI assistant understands our task, and a description of what it will assist with in the generation process, and a list of what is outside the scope of its output. The studio works with the concept of several basic types of applications, and this selection will aid in the subsequent better result of the desired application. Next, we move on to the definition of user roles. This is a very powerful feature of the Contember engine for sophisticated applications and detailed ACL settings. In our case, however, we will create just one role, content creator. For now, we will skip the option of describing our own flows, which would allow us to create specific tasks for a particular user role and its connection with entities. After generating the application schema, we have the opportunity to manually fine-tune all entities. At a cursory glance at them, I think the AI assistant Ember has done a good job, and we can move on to generating the application. Thanks to the close integration of Contember Studio and Contember Cloud, which is a platform as a service for operating Contember applications, we can deploy the application with a single click. We will receive an email invitation to create a password and can start testing our new application. After logging in, we see the main navigation, and the first item is the user management option. Let's create the first user who will be able to log into our application. Next, we save our first prompt and all the additional information we have. Since we don't have any categories or other related entities prepared for further links, let's also create them. First a category, and then a Contember tag. We will also add other generation results and return to the prompt detail where we will retroactively add our created category and add the first tag. Now, on the detail of the prompt entity, we see everything connected with it that we entered into the system. Within a few minutes, we have the basic part of the application done. The next step would be to download the source code and modify it according to our specific needs. Thank you for watching this short demonstration of what Contember Studio and Contember Cloud are. As always, we appreciate any feedback and can't wait to see what you build.